Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jemima. So for those who are interested in transferring, first of all, you need to find out the school that you're going into. Go there, see the provost or the dean or whoever is in charge. Make sure that they are going to accept you. Then when you do that, you pick up their transfer form. Most schools you can buy that online. Pick up their form, take the form to your own school. The one of Unical, your dean will have to sign, your provost will have to sign, your registrar will have to sign. Take it to them. After they sign, apply for your transcript and then ship the transcript and follow it up to ensure that it gets to your receiving school. Then when it gets to your receiving school, go to the registrar's office, ensure that you have gotten to your receiving school and follow it up, ensure that the registrar of your receiving school stamps and signs that you're now a student. And once you do that, you pay your acceptance fee and pay your fees and you're now a medical student. Now for the cost, the financial implication for my school, you need to have cleared your school fees from 100 level to whatever level you're at. You photocopy all your school fee receipts, tellers, everything. For the ones that you don't need to change to receipts, you photocopy the teller, take it there with your file with the form. You pick up the form for request for transcript, write your letter and submit it to the registrar's office. Then pay a token. I think it's as at then it was 20,000. I don't know if they've increased it now. You pay that 20,000, then you come with the confirmation of payment, photocopy it to put it into your file as well and submit, and your transcript will be processed. Now for this receiving school, for the one of Unical, that form was 7,500 naira if I'm not mistaken. That's about 27,000 you spent now. Then if you were owing arrears, you pay that arrear in your former school. Then the next school you're going into, you pay the school fees. So it's a lot to transfer into a new school financially. Not to talk about logistics, transport, greasing hands here and there, feeding, accommodation in your new school and all. It's a lot. If you're now transferring into a private university, that's even more expensive. So if you want to transfer into another medical school, you should put that into consideration. In summary, transferring into another medical school is not something that I had in mind. Honestly, if I had that in mind right from 2021, when I finished my second MB, I would have pushed for a transfer immediately. I wouldn't have had to go through all this delay of 2022 and 2023, and now this is 2024. I'm still in this same 400 level. If you're in my shoes and you're not sure if you should transfer, pray about it first of all, do, and make that move out, transfer out. But the problem with this now is, are they going to accept you into 400 level? Except your connection is that strong. I don't know of any public medical school that will accept you into 400 level. Please quote me wrong. If you know of any, please send it to my DM. All this said, just anything I've forgotten to add while editing this video, I'll certainly add it. I remain your girl, Jemima. Bye.